Hey everyone, if you have been using the Coinbase app and wondering on how to change the date of birth on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change date of birth on the Coinbase app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now, to change the date of birth, tap onto three dot lines at the top just right here. And then here you can find profile and settings. Now tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option of change date of birth on the Coinbase. Now here you can find there is no any feature that you can change the date of birth on the Coinbase app. So one thing to remember, there is no any feature that you can change the date of birth or add the date of birth on the Coinbase app. So if you have added your citizenship or your identity card, then there is already your date of birth mentioned. So to change the date of birth, you can simply change the identity card. And that's it. This is how you can change the date of birth on the Coinbase app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.